AFRO Group is your technology gateway. AFRO Group is a market leader in major industries across Middle East and Africa.
This is a video presentation. Please pause to read the slides. And thank you.
AFRO Solar is part of the AFRO Group of companies. AFRO Solar provides turnkey solar power technologies for both local and global markets. We are an EPC, Energy Procurement Construction, company that finances, designs, installs, and commissions PV, photovoltaic, solar power plants.
We are committed to unlocking the sun's energy, to help our partners meet the United Nations' ambitious Sustainable Development Goals. Our vision is to empower billions of people through sustainable, affordable and innovative energy solutions. By executing projects at benchmark level, through technology and innovations, AFRO Solar can design a fully integrated and customized solar power plant projects for private and public corporations. Our in-house design and engineering team have deep industry expertise and technology know-how.
AFRO Solar helps industries to reduce their utility expenditures with locked-in rates that will always be cheaper than the grid. Every megawatt installed lowers your carbon footprint by 25,000 tons. Brands and corporates promote their sustainability values and shine in the market by exceeding the expectations of their stakeholders, by adding sustainability to their CSR portfolio. Real estate corporations enjoy up to a 40% increase in their property value and raise their asking price at no additional cost. AFRO Solar invites national and local governments to sponsor and fund flagship government programs to farmers in their countries. AFRO Solar helps farmers to increase their crop yields by ensuring a reliable and perennial supply of water to their fields. We offer both surface and submersible water pumping systems. AFRO Solar Power Solutions provides off-grid, on-grid, and even hybrid solutions. Our turnkey solutions starts from planning to financing, government relations to regulatory approvals, from successfully installing to scaling the utility of your solar projects. We aim through government and NGO initiatives for thousands of towns and villages to have power for at least 6 hours a day.
Microgrids represents a paradigm shift towards more localized and distributed power generation, especially in cities, communities and campuses. The power to isolate from the larger grids makes microgrids resilient and financially more competitive. AFRO Solar has the capabilities as well as partnerships in all aspects of solar plant O&M to help deliver optimal power to utility companies. Our subcontractors have unmatched experience in operating and maintaining large utility-scale solar projects. We have partnerships with financial institutions for project financing. AFRO Solar can design, develop and deliver state-of-the-art network operating system centers across the world, with real-time capabilities, ensuring maximum power generation and uptime.
AFRO Solar delivers superior, customized end-to-end solutions for solar PV plant installation, operations and maintenance for high efficiency for both poly, mono and HIT technologies. The core values of our organization are that underlie our work and strategies we employ to fulfill our vision and mission. Our mission is to provide high-quality and cost-effective sustainable energy solutions across all the markets and reducing carbon footprints by paving the way for sustainable energy, thereby improving quality of present and future human life. With a vision to change the world for the better, AFRO Solar provides a platform for our partners to cooperate and collaborate to be part of the change. We welcome all types of inquiries, from water desalination solutions to sustainable irrigation, or to get solar powered. Contact us for free consultation. solar@afro-group.com